Many students like Aleena come to our workshops feeling uncertain, not sure what to expect and not knowing anyone else in the room. In our workshops, we create a space for connection and community. Our workshops are designed to challenge your automatic way of thinking. Like Aleena, you may have areas that don't work for you. Maybe you procrastinate, lack confidence, or seek connection. This program gives you that opportunity to stop and reflect. Reflect on all the other possibilities and choices that are available to you.